Creating fragrance oils can be fun, especially if you dislike the time-consuming process of shopping for the right scent at the mall. The most important thing to know when mixing essential oils is that not all are skin-safe, even if they can be used in potpourri and oil burners. In order to make fragrance oils that are long-lasting and safe, you can add dipropylene glycol (DPG) into your fragrance oil mixture. What is DPG? DPG is a type of organic chemical compound that's used as the solvent in most fragrances. Although there are two versions, only the fragrance-grade version of DPG is appropriate to use in perfumes or fragrance oils. The fragrance-grade version is useful because it's odorless, colorless, has a high boiling point and a low toxicity. It won't add any unnecessary odor to your fragrance, and it's safe to use on your skin. The compound works well in perfumes because it attaches to fragrance molecules. It's also able to carry both essential oils and fragrance oils. Fragrance oils are different from essential oils because they're a blend of essential oils. When DPG is added to one of the carrier oils, it dilutes the strength of fragrance oils to slowly disperse the smell. Have you ever purchased a fragrance oil and the smell vanishes quickly? That's because there's little to no DPG added into the mix. Although DPG sounds like something that would be locked away in a chemistry lab, you can purchase it online. If you're ready to become an amateur chemist at home, below are some easy ways to make oil mixtures. Happy mixing. Step 1. Start with fragrance oil. Add 1 ounce of fragrance oil to a non-reactive bottle container. Examples of non-reactive containers are stainless steel, glass and metal cookware with enamel coating. Step 2. Add DPG. Add 2 ounces DPG to a non-reactive bottle container. Step 3. How to make a ration for an oil burner. Screw on the cap or close the container tightly and shake the mixing bottle until all of the ingredients are well mixed. It normally takes around 30 to 45 seconds of vigorous shaking to incorporate the oils. This ration is perfect for an oil burner. Step 4. How to make a ration for a reed diffuser. If you'd like to create a fragrance oil mix to use on a reed diffuser, change the ration of fragrance oil to DPG. Add 3 parts fragrance oil to 6 parts DPG. Add the fragrance oil first, then the DPG and shake vigorously for 30 to 45 seconds. Step 5. How to make a ration for fragrance oil. When creating a fragrance oil, the easiest ration is to mix 1 part fragrance into 2 parts DPG.